In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a domain to another domain in Hostinger. So whether you're looking to move to a new domain or simply want to consolidate your online presence, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process. First things first, we need to head over to Hostinger. So open up your web browser and go to Hostinger's website. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to log in. Simply find and click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Use your credentials to access your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed with this tutorial. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to your Hostinger account dashboard, commonly known as the cpanel. This is your control center for managing all your web services hosted with Hostinger. From the cpanel dashboard, look for the domains section. Clicking here will take you to all the domain options available for management. Now what you want to do is select domain portfolio. Think of this section as a library of all your purchased and managed domains. Scroll through to find the domain you want to redirect. Selecting the right domain is crucial, so take your time to ensure you're working on the correct one. Once you've identified and clicked the domain name you wish to redirect, you'll be taken to its dedicated page. This page contains all the relevant information and settings for your domain. You'll want to find the Domain Ownership tab. Typically, this tab will be located in a menu or list of options. This is the part where you can change various settings for your domain, and one of these settings includes setting up a redirection. With these steps, you're on the right path to managing how your domain directs traffic. It can often take a little time for these changes to fully propagate, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't happen instantaneously. And there you have it, a complete overview of redirecting a domain to another domain using Hostinger's platform. Remember, website traffic redirection can be a powerful tool for managing your online presence, so choose the domain you want to redirect to carefully. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, Hostinger's customer support is a great resource to reach out to. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.